Livity listed among 14 persons of interest by the West Kingston Police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Leighton Livity Coke, the brother of former Tivoli Gardens enforcer Christopher Coke, is one of 14 persons of interest on a list released by the Kingston Western Police on Friday afternoon. The 14 on the list are asked to turn themselves into the Denhamtown Police by 4 p.m. on Saturday, August 28th. Investigators believe that the men can assist them with their probe into several incidents of murders and shootings that have been committed in the division recently. The other persons on the list are Philip Brown, otherwise called Phil, Lawrence Stewart, otherwise called Richie Stone, Dwayne Grant, otherwise called Billy, Rashawn Samuels, otherwise called Son, Devon Sullivan, otherwise called Coffee, Marlon Hall, otherwise called Tupac, Romeen Carter, otherwise called Stew Peas, Akeem Bailey, otherwise called Lollipop, a man known only as Rory, a man known only as Ready Up, a man known only as Straight Up, a man known only as Kala, and a man known only as Little Man. The police are also asking anyone with information that can assist them in locating the persons is encouraged to contact the Denhamtown Police at 876-948-6443. Crime Stop at 311, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!